Hey guys, it's Sam from CreateWebsitesEasily.com, and in this video, I'm going to be going over 10 of the best WordPress plugins you can get for your WordPress website for free. I've used all the plugins that I've listed on every single website I've made, and I couldn't be happier with them. So if you aren't using them already, I highly recommend that you do. I feel like these are the essential plugins that every WordPress website should have. You can download all the plugins that I'm going to be talking about by clicking the links in the description or by using the WordPress dashboard. If you want to learn how to create your own WordPress website in under 13 minutes, I recommend watching this video. It's the first link in the description. Now, let's get started. These plugins are not listed in any particular order. Number 1. WordPress Hide Login. This plugin allows you to change your login URL. Normally, every WordPress website's admin login is accessible by going to the site's URL and then typing /login. The reason this plugin is essential is because it protects your website from malicious login attempts. Hackers can easily access the admin login page and then repeatedly try to guess your password. In order to prevent that, you can use this plugin to change the login URL to anything you like. My site's login URL is dogs instead of /login. It is completely customizable and it's extremely easy to use. It plays a huge part in any site security. I'll show you a quick tutorial of how to use this plugin. Just go to the WordPress dashboard after you install it, go to settings and then click WordPress Hide Login. Now simply change the text to anything you like and then click save. It's that simple. Now onto the second plugin. The second plugin is Smush. Smush helps you speed up your site by compressing the images on your site. This helps reduce the file size of images without losing any quality. Basically, it makes the images smaller, and by doing that, it speeds up your site's load time. The faster your site's load time, the less likely people are to leave before the site loads. Now onto the third plugin, Google Analytics. This plugin will allow you to implement Google Analytics easily to your website. The reason Google Analytics is important to any website is because it allows you to track and analyze what people are doing on your website, how long they're staying and where they're coming from, and many more things. Using this data, you can make decisions that keep people on your website and understand what works and what doesn't. Also, you get a nice widget on your WordPress dashboard, which allows you to monitor how much traffic your site is getting and what the bounce rate is. Number 4. Real Simple SSL. This plugin allows you to activate your SSL certificate. If you don't know what an SSL certificate is, it is a lock icon that appears next to the search bar. You've probably seen it before when accessing big sites such as Google and YouTube. It tells users that any information that the user enters on their site is safe. An SSL certificate is essential if you want people to trust your website. Sometimes when users go on your website, they can be stopped by their browsers and warned not to go on your website because it isn't safe. All you have to do is download this plugin and activate it. Upon activation, it will automatically activate your SSL certificate if you have one. Number 4. Yoast SEO. This plugin informs you of the current state of your SEO for your website and tells you ways that you can improve it. If you didn't know, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it basically means changing the site in a certain way that search engines like. This will allow more people to find your site. Yoast will pop up on each page on the Pages menu, and it will tell you ways you can improve your website. All you have to do is make the changes it says and then click save. After that, you'll have better SEO on your website. If you're liking the video so far, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Now back to the video. Number 6. All-in-one WordPress Migration. WordPress Migration allows you to save backups of your site. This is extremely useful because if anything happens to your website, whether it gets hacked or if you accidentally change some important code, you can easily restore it. You first have to download a backup of your site and then upload it when need be. I recommend regularly backing up your site every month or if you make a big change to your website. The plugin is straightforward and very easy to use. Number 7. Elementor. This plugin makes designing web pages a whole lot simpler. It turns your site into a drag and drop builder. You can create any page you can think of, and you can also design the header and the footer with this plugin. Elementor also comes with pre-made demo pages which you can use if you don't feel like designing the whole page from scratch. This plugin will take your website from boring to looking like a professional web designer created it. There is a premium version that you can get for $45 a year, but the free version is just as good. Number 8. WordPress Fastest Cache. This plugin allows you to clear the cache of your website. Cache is memory your website holds of apps and other things. If there is an excess of cache, it can slow down your website. So, in order to speed it up, you need to clear it. This is a must-have plugin for boosting the speed of your website. Number 9. OneSignal. It allows you to send push notifications to users. It's a little pop-up that appears next to the search bar and asks the user if they want to receive notifications from your website. If they agree, you can send them notifications when you release new content on your site, or if there's a special offer that you want to tell them about. It is more effective than email marketing, so if you want your traffic to be higher and get more returning visitors, then I highly recommend this plugin. Number 10. WordFence. This is the ultimate free security app. It helps protect your website from malicious attacks and other potentially harmful things. All you have to do is install it and configure it, and WordFence will take care of the rest. You can see how many login attempts there were, how many attacks it has stopped, and many more things. Overall, it is essential for your site's security, and it has over 1 million downloads and is rated 4 stars. This shows you that it is a plugin trusted by many WordPress site owners. If you want to download any of these plugins, the links will be in the description. You can also download them by going to your WordPress dashboard menu, then hovering over the plugin section, and then clicking Add New. Now, just search for the plugin and then install it. I highly recommend that you download all of the plugins if you don't have them already. You can always delete them if you aren't satisfied with their performance or if you feel like you don't need them. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. Also, leave a comment down below and tell me what you liked about this video and if you have any new video suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.